Textbook it is COLOR only, sir.
So that it has become correct now. I mean that the top body has recognized it. For example, we used to use a word called laptop. What are we using now? We just say lap. We don't use even top also. We are skipping the top many times. We are using the lap. So that language is very, very, it is changing its color, style, or whatever form now and then, every day, and then because of which that is becoming more user friendly. Whereas some other language, I mean not because I know one another language is Tamil. It is not changing fast because the our custom, our pundits are not willing to change. For example, in Tamil, we have for laptop. What is the name for laptop?
Madikanini, sir.
Madikanini. But to me, to be frank with you, even though I am a lover of Tamil, you know that Madikanini, it looks like a very big word. I mean, very long word. Can we simplify this?
No, sir. We can't.
No, that's what we think. Why not we use like Manini? Manini. If we simplify like this, we don't simplify, that is a different matter. If we simplify like this, then the language will grow like anything. Otherwise, what may happen is, instead of using Manikanini, everybody will use English. Laptop, they will use. That is for example, the best one of the best Tamil word which I have seen is Sayali for app. App, they have got a word called Sayali. It's a nice word. Sayali is also very simple, not very long. So likewise, we need to make some simple words for each of the English words or each of the difficult Tamil words. You have to make a simple word and then use it. Then that language will grow. This is my personal view. So that is our pundits, our pulavars. Will they accept that? I do not know. Whereas the English language, the top whatever authority are there, they are willing to change. Anything they are willing to change. Any new word comes, they want to accommodate. And so that language is getting transformed every now and then. It becomes a new language and it's spreading its wings to so many places. And now what happened in a place like Tamil Nadu, we use half the time we use English. More than half the time, to my surprise. See, I studied in Tamil medium. I'm a lover of Tamil also, and I speak Tamil at home. Outside Tamil I speak, but whenever I speak, half the time it is English. Only half the words are Tamil. It's not that I wanted to use English. It's that I am not able to get the right Tamil for some of these words. Otherwise, I would break my head. See, now I could see the difficulty in breaking my head in getting into Tamil after started writing this Kavidai. Kavidai has to be in Tamil. But then I find it difficult to get the word. Every time I go to Google or something and get it. That is a different thing. But then a common layman, will he do that? Whatever comes to his mind. For example, car. Car is a very, very nice word. It is a borrowed word from English. So in Tamil we have what is called Sogusu Vandiya. What is that word? Car ke? Something Sogusu Vandiya, something like that is there. So instead of a long word, if you can make a small word, if some small word is there, people will use that. Nothing wrong. So likewise, one has to look at that language. So English language, less grammar is there, more exceptions are there, and language is accommodating all these exceptions. That is the beauty of that language. Any this thing they are accommodating that exceptions, and then because of which the language becomes more user friendly. And today I am very sorry to say to all of you, most of you, I am not saying the people who are here, this 16 or 17, not here. Most of the students at your age, they are using Tanglish, which is very bad for English as well as Tamil. Neither they learn Tamil nor they learn English. They learn something else which is of no use anywhere. So I made it a point in my groups that no one should use Tanglish. Either you write in Tamil or write in English, that's okay. But then don't use Tanglish. Why we use Tanglish? Because we are finding it English is user friendly. Tamil is we are able to understand better in Tamil, but not user friendly. English we are finding it difficult to understand, but user friendly. So we are both mixing together and then making a new this thing, which is of no use to anybody. So the Tamil language has to transform itself to accommodate some of these niceties of other languages. or niceties of or simplify that particular language. In fact, some efforts are going on by the Tamil Pandits. How do we make the language simpler so that the coming generation students will use more of Tamil and less of other languages? So they are trying to do that. Anyway, so whenever you think of, in your exam, there will be about 5 or 6 questions on like this sentence correction or correcting the or jumbled sentences, jumbled words. There are 3 things they say. One is the synonym, that is meaning. Other one is antonym, that is opposite. Then jumbled words, jumbled sentences, sentence correction. There are 5 different things. Every year in some year they ask only synonyms. In some year they ask synonym as well as antonym. Some year they ask sentence correction and jumbled words. So it's a mix of all these 5 things they will ask. So you have to be very careful, and then you will get about 5 marks out of this. Okay. So let us go to some other chapters. That is other than English. 1 minute, I will this thing stop sharing. I have to share some new screen to you. Yeah, so this is the thing, NTSC English. And I have sent some questions in your WhatsApp. Try to do all those questions whenever you get time. I have seen many of you have not done that question. So if you have not done that question so far, only one person has done all the questions, and almost all are correct actually. Right. Okay, let's go to this. Again, it's only English part. Let me go to something else other than English. Okay, I think we will go to this little bit of Oh, this thing we did not cover. NTS English 25th July I put 25th August. No, 25th July I think. I don't know whether we have covered it or not. Okay, let's go to this. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the first thing is the arrangement of alphabetical order of the words. Music, monk, minimum, maximum. In a dictionary, which one would come first? Which is the next one? Which is the third one? Which is the fourth one? Music, monk.
Maximum, sir, first one.
Maximum is first, then
Minimum is second, sir.
minimum is second.
Monk is third and music is fourth.
So DCBA is the right answer.
Yes, sir.
So this is also come in
Yes,
your
sir.
exams. One of the exams that's come. DCBA is the right answer. It's very easy. Go to next. The number of 2-digit combinations having 9 as at least one of the digits from the digit 06954 is. So they have given 06954, 5 digits, and it has to be a 2-digit number, and 9 should come at least once.
Screen is not appear for me.
Screen is not. Why? I don't know. What about others?
Visible, sir.
It's visible now,
Then
sir.
something wrong with your computer, madam. If it is visible to others and if it is not visible to you, I think you check. Maybe you have to click something. Somebody will say on the top of the right hand, right corner, something you have to click. What is that pin? Something you have to click. We used to have a computer man. He will say, you do this, do that, and then it will get corrected to others.
I didn't do anything.
No, he did not do anything. That is the problem. You should do something. What is that something? I do not know. But it is visible to everybody. It is not visible to one person. It means something wrong with your computer only, isn't it? Am I correct? So this is the logical thing, mental ability question. When I show the screen to some 15 people, one person is not getting. So where is the problem? Where is the error? So
If
it
the
has,
person who is from 2, it's not visible.
what, sir?
Sir, for the person for whom the screen is not visible,
Yeah.
the error is with them, sir.
Yeah, there is with them what they should do technically. There's something they have to do. I do not know. I don't know. I'm not a tech savvy person, but they used to say in our some groups, some boys were there. They say you do this, do that, and then it gets corrected. I do not know. Okay. Anyway, madam, you just listen to my audio then. The number of two-digit combinations having 9 as at least one of the digits from the digits 06954 is how many numbers we will have. How many digits we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I am getting 8 answer. I am getting the fourth answer. I am getting. Just see whether I am correct. And what are you getting? Let me see. You understood the question? Should I repeat?
Yes, sir.
You have to make a two-digit number, and 9 has to come at least once. So how many two-digit numbers you can make with, and 9 has to come at least once among the digits 06954 using 06954. So let us take the 4. Let us take 4 as the first digit. So 49 is one option, 59 is another option, 69 is another option. So these are the things. 09 cannot come because it's not a two-digit number. Then in the two-digit number 90 is 1, 94, 94, 95, 96 and 99. So how many are coming? How many you are getting? What is the answer? ஜெயவீரன் உங்க இதை ஆஃப் பண்ணி வைங்கப்பா. See, the two important things you should remember. Whenever you want to attend an online class, the place has to be noise free. Even when you open your mic, there should not any noise should not be there. Any noise should not be there. Any other noise other than what you speak. So that is very, very important. Second one is, unless you want to speak, you don't switch on your mic. These two things you should adhere to. Not only my class, any class. Otherwise, it will be disturbing everybody. So you have to be very careful. Okay. So somebody Ilakya said 9. Are you getting 9? I am getting 8. So let me see the answers. Sorry, answer is 9 is there, 8 is also there. So which is correct? Others?
Sir, can you repeat, sir?
No, what do you want me to repeat? Are you able to understand the question?
No, sir.
So what is your problem? Now what have you understood? You tell me, then I will tell you what you have not understood. See, they have given the numbers 0, 6, 9, 5 and 4. Okay? You have to make a two-digit numbers out of this. In that, 9 should come at least once. So how many such numbers you can make? This is the question.
8, sir.
8. I am getting 8. Somebody got 9. Ilakya, you check whether 9 is correct or 8 is correct. Ilakya, are you getting 8 or 9?
8, sir.
8. 8 is the right answer. Okay, let's go to next. Arrange the given words in a meaningful sequence and choose the most appropriate sequences from the given alternatives. Appendix, contents, chapters, introduction. In a book, in what is the order in which it will come? The sequence in which it will come. Which one will come first? Appendix, content, chapter, introduction.
Introduction.
Chapter, sir.
Introduction, sir.
Hmm?
Chapter, sir.
Is it chapter?
Chapter, sir.
No. You just think over it. Don't get into, Which one will come?
Sir, content.
Content will come first. Yes. Then, next one.
Chapter, sir.
Then, is it chapter? Or introduction?
Chapter, sir.
I mean, you are assuming the introduction also as a chapter. Then only it will come like that. Otherwise, introduction will come. Then what will come? Appendix will be the last. That I know. So, appendix has to be last. So, obviously,
Third one. Yes, sir.
third one will come. That DCBA. D is what? Introduction, chapters,
Chapter, content.
contents, appendix. Yeah, okay. Content means actual material. Chapters means that, I confused. Chapter means that number of, the chapter page, no? So, that will come, okay. So, that means introduction, chapter, and then content, and then appendix. So, third one will be the answer, okay. Right, not the, it will not start with content. It will start with the introduction, then chapters, then contents, and then your appendix. Good. Go to next. Danger always involves fear, help, attack, enemy.
Fear, sir.
Help, sir. Attack, sir.
So, fear.
So we have got first three answers, and all three answers are different. See, they say attack cannot be there. Only when you get only there is attempt of attack, you will get danger. You that is the meaning you are conveying, but not necessarily so. Even if there is no attack, still danger may be there. But whenever we have
Fear, sir.
whenever we have danger, do we go for help? Not necessarily true. And whenever there is
Fear,
a danger,
sir.
do you think there is an enemy nearby? No, that is also not there. So whenever
Fear,
there is
sir.
a danger, fear will always will be there. So fear may be the answer. Okay, good. Go to next. When the time is 4:20, the angle between the hands of the clock is. When the time is 4:20, draw one clock, then you find out by yourself. 4:20.
0 degree, sir.
Is it
0 degree, sir.
Is it 0 degree? 0 is not the right answer. That much I know.
10 degree, sir.
10 degrees, sir.
10 degree? Yes. Possibility is
Yes,
there.
sir.
Okay, I will put it this way. If the time is 4:25, 4:20 I said. What is the 4:30. What is the angle? 4:30.
15 degrees, sir.
No, 4:30.
15 degrees.
4:30. No, 4:30.
Sir, 45 degree.
45. How did you get 45?
Sir, With the diagram of clock.
Okay, now you tell me what is the time between 4:20? 10 is correct, but are you getting 10? How did you get 10? That understanding should come. Because you said 4:30, you got 45 correct. Okay, good, that's right. So by that token, 4:20 will be 10. Okay, the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand will be 10 degree. Of course, if you work out by our calculation, then also you will get it. But I want you to do by common sense. And we hear this 4:20 in many of our movies and serials. What is this 4:20, Anirudh? 420 they call it.
Sir, that is a case, sir. 420.
420 is a section.
Yes, sir. Section.
Section in what? In IPC, Indian Penal Code. Indian Penal Code, they have a section called 420. That is actually, somebody who is a KD, we will call him as a 420 because that section deals with the penalty for somebody who has who has done a crime. So that is why it is called 420. So whoever has done a crime, so in the serial and movie we call them as 420. 420. In Hindi it is popularly called as 420. Okay, right. Okay, here 10 degree is the right answer. Whoever has not got 10 degree, you can go back at home and try and see whether what we are saying is correct or not. Okay, we already done this clock in our class. For many of you have attended. So I don't want to, repeat it. In case you are not able to get, maybe you can interact with me over WhatsApp or maybe in the next class. Okay, next question. A 250 kilo bike is ridden by a circus man at a speed of 20 meter per second in a circular path of diameter 100 meter. Calculate its acceleration. I don't know. I think we will skip because I also don't know. Now go to next one. Now we will come to this 250 kilo bike later. The numbers 2, 3, 4, 4, 2x plus 1, 5, 5, 6, 7 are written in the ascending order. If the median is 5, then find x. If the median is 5, find x. Oh, good, yeah. Good question. Median is 5. Okay.
2, sir.
Correct. 2 is correct. Can you explain to everybody?
Middle number is known as median.
Correct. Middle number is median. How many numbers are there totally?
9 numbers.
9 numbers. So which is the middle number?
2x plus 1.
Yeah. So that is the middle number. Okay. That is the median. Median is that 2x plus 1 is equal to 5. They have given the median is 5. When 2x plus 1 is equal to 5, then 2x is equal to 4, x equal to 2. Correct?
Sure.
Okay, now I will ask you one thing. Have you studied mode? M-O-D-E?
Yes, sir.
What is the mode for this? Put x equal to 2, then you get a number series. What is the mode for this?
5, sir.
5. That is also 5. What is the average for this? Mean. Average is mean. Mean and average refers to the same thing. What is the mean? You have to add everything and divide by 9. What, madam?
19.
19. No, you add everything. 5, 20, 28, 34, 41 divided by 9. How you are getting 19, madam? I do not know.
Sir, by adding these numbers and dividing by 2, sir.
Why you are dividing by 2? You have to divide by 9. Why you are dividing by 2? I do not know. Unless you are very friendly with the font of 2. How much you are getting? By adding everything, how much you are getting? 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 15, 28, 28, 34, 41 you are getting, no? Adding everything, you are getting 41.
Yes, sir.
41 divided by 9 is 4, 5 by 9, isn't it? 4, 5 by 9. So that is the median. So whenever you calculate median, mean and mode, which one will be the higher or which one will be the lower? Any idea?
Mean will be the higher, sir.
Mean will be the higher. No, mean cannot be higher. Mean may not be higher. Okay. Okay, you know, this is a tricky question. Mean is not higher. Mean something else, but you find out. Look at your book and then find out. Okay, so we'll close at this. Before we close, I just want you, all of you, to read my Kavidai today. Siranda Manakkan Yar, who is a good student, a best student. Siranda means best. Good student means Nalla Manakkan. Best student Yar. If you have not read the Kavidai, it is there. I don't know whether it is there in your group. I am sending it in your group. You read it because you are all students, no? And I have many gurus in this group. Nearly about 18, 19 gurus are there. So I wanted to ask my gurus whether I am a good student or not. So since I am a guru for you here, I am asking you whether you are a good student or not. I mean, best student. Siranda Manakkan means best student, whatever, special student or whatever. So just see whether by going through the Kavidai, whether you adhere to that Ilakkanam, that grammar or not, you can look at. And then try and see. And if you, in case you don't agree with any of my points in that Kavidai, let me know. I am always willing to correct or change my whatever understanding I have. Okay. Thanks a lot for all of you. We'll meet again in the next class. A lot of things are there. Yeah. See, I think we are going slow. I think I have got many such this thing. See, here is there, and we have physics, we have chemistry, we have social science. Many are there. So let us go fast in the next class. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Bye.
you. Thank you.